Now, concatenating strings together using plus signs is fine if all you need to do is add a little space or like one piece of punctuation, such as a period or a comma. But for a more complicated string interpolation, it's really nice to use the template literals. So I'm going to show you what they are, and they require that you use backticks. Backticks are these sort of backwards slanting little quotes, and they're on your keyboard to the left of the number 1 key. So I've made 3 variables already, and what I'm going to do is make a string into which I want to insert my values, okay? So my result, I have to start with the backticks, and I'm going to say, let's say, she is a, and here comes my first template literal. You start with a $, and then you put a pair of curly braces, and these are over on the right side of your keyboard on top of the square brackets. So I'm going to put she is a person, that's my first variable. Notice I don't need to use any plus signs in this case. Who specializes in, okay, oops, specializes in, okay, $, curly brace, specialty is my next variable, okay, in, and then my country, okay, and curly brace, and a period after that, and the final backtick, and then of course your semicolon. You'll notice I'm always using the semicolons because I find you just run into trouble if you leave them out. So now I've got a value in the variable result, and if I console log result, what am I going to see? I am going to see my variables, the values of my variables, person, specialty, and country, inserted into the sentence. So she is a journalist who specializes in data and investigative reporting in Indonesia. So you need to remember that you need to use backticks if you're going to use these template literals. And the template literal itself consists of a $, and a pair of curly braces that surround the variable name for which you want to use the value. And that's all there is to it.